This is a workflow, a deterministic workflow engine. Let's watch a real one run from start to finish with no agents involved. A workflow is just a recipe, steps with arrows showing what feeds what. This one turns a list of raw Git commits into polished release notes. 6 steps, 4 kinds of step. It starts at the top. The first step hands over 6 raw commit messages, the kind you'd get straight from Git log. Next, the fanout. The same small job, tag each commit as a feature, a fixed docs, or a chore, runs on all 6 at once in parallel. Need breadth, you fan out, you don't spin up a crew. From here, the path splits. One branch writes the group notes, the other counts the totals. The two are independent, so they run together. The merge step waits for both branches, then joins them into one finished document. Now a gate checks the result. It must contain a features section and a fixes section, or the whole run stops cold. This one passes, approved. And if it crashes halfway, every finished step is written to a journal. Rerun and it skips everything already done. The first 2 steps never run again. It picks up exactly where it left off. That's the whole idea. Plain steps run in the right order in parallel where they can be gated and resumable. A real run with no agents and no network, just the recipe.